Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Let's install our push button to open our trunk by removing this little cap. Use a marker to draw our lines around it. And now what I'm using is a soldering to cut them off. After just getting the shape of your push button, just go ahead and install it. I got two colors of wirings right here, green and blue. The color doesn't matter because at the end of the day, it's gonna be the same cable just working as a switch. Let's go ahead and put everything back together. I'm using this epoxy to just get the cables solid inside, and that way we can avoid any unwanted connection between those two wires. Basically, this is going to seal it inside. Alright, let's go ahead and go back to our car. So let's take this plastic cover. Right now I'm showing you a diagram how everything should be connected. Blue cable to ground or negative terminal of your battery or the chassis of your car. Let's try it out. All right, we're making sure everything's working fine. Okay, it's opening. Don't forget to tape everything. I'm using this enclosure to keep all my cables protected. Also, I'm using zip tie. Let's install our plastic cover back. This is pretty much how it looks like. Let's test it out.